glass windows when winds are like that. They were howling last night. Tonight, the winds have subsided a bit and they shifted out of the north, bringing in some rain like we're tracking in Gadsden, but it's very light. And could this rain change over into a little wintry mix overnight? Well, it may in some spots. Temperatures right now still at 44, well above freezing, but did you know temperatures actually don't have to be at freezing for the snow to fall? Now, it wouldn't stick, but it doesn't require that for those flurries to fall from the sky. Winds out of the west at around 15 miles per hour. We had so much rain over the last 24 hours alone. And remember, this is 24 hours, but we even had more rain prior to that. So Birmingham, just in the last 24 hours, just over 2.5 inches, but in total closer to 3 inches. Tuscaloosa in the last 24 hours, almost 3 inches, but in total, they were closer to 4 inches. And look at Gadsden, 3.5 inches of rain. It has been a soggy middle of the week. We're rounding out the week tomorrow. That's some good news, and we're going to round out the week on a cold note. That cold air already diving into West Alabama. 35 currently in Hamilton. You travel along Interstate 22 down to Birmingham, and it's 42 there, and then it's 45 down in Alexander City. Look at the temperature changes over the last 24 hours. We've dropped nearly 27 degrees in Jasper. Winds right now anywhere between about 10 to 15 miles per hour, so it is going to be a little breezy. Makes those 30s and 40s feel slightly colder. And yes, we are watching a little batch of wet weather. Right now, it's all falling in the liquid state of rain, and it's moving through Coleman. Aniana seeing some light showers, and we just tracked on our Storm Team Tower Cam there in Gadsden. But I want to show you where that line is. There is winter weather back towards northeast Mississippi, maybe the very edge of northwest Alabama there. And then look at this, West Tennessee seeing some snow up towards Nashville. The pink that you see on your screen, that's sleet, and then the green is just rain for us. But as this cold air continues to move into Alabama overnight tonight, it's likely that some of that leftover rain that we're seeing right now could change over. I think most of that's going to happen in the Tennessee Valley, but maybe the northern fringe of our viewing area and some of the higher elevations like towards Gadsden, Etowah County, over towards Mentone. You could see bit of change over there. You'll see that about 2 a.m. You'd have to wake up for it. It's not going to last long either. This is going to zip across the night sky by the time the sun comes up tomorrow morning. Not going to see much. Just be careful with any overnight rain, even in general. There could be a few slick spots on the roadways. Add in the fact that temperatures will be getting into the mid 30s. We won't quite hit freezing tomorrow, but it's going to be cold. You'll need the coats to start your Friday. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon climbing into the upper 40s to low 50s, and then we're tracking some rain as we move into our Friday evening and early Saturday morning. So Friday, by and large, we'll see a mostly sunny sky. It'll actually be a pretty nice day. You'll have some clouds early in the day, but there goes that rain right around midnight Saturday morning through around 4 a.m. Actually looks like there could be some changeover in North Georgia on Saturday early morning. So we'll be watching very closely for that. And then guess what? It's sunshine for your Sunday. A beautiful way to round out the weekend before all the rain gets here next week. Well, the good news is we'll have a warm up, but you may not be able to get outside too much and actually enjoy it. So you'll need the umbrellas again starting next week. And that's a look at your Storm Team 7-day forecast. Jack.